The period required by law to perform a specific act. A. Reglementary period. B. Mandatory period. C. Compulsory period. D. None of this. Answer A. Reglementary period. It includes everything which is done contrary to justice, honesty, modesty, or good morals. A. Moral turpitude. B. Fraud. C. Morality. D. Unlawful. Answer A. Moral turpitude. The budget is A. In terms of expenditure requirements. A. Tactical plan. B. Financial plan. C. Work plan. D. Control plan. Answer B. Financial plan. Who among the following disciplinary authorities may impose demotion in rank as a punishment? A. Chief of Police. B. Plebe. C. Mayor. D. Director of City Police Office. Answer B. Plebe. It is the weakest link in the security chain. A. Managers. B. Barriers. C. Personnel. D. Inspections. Answer C. Personnel. The investigation and hearing before the administrative disciplinary authorities and the IAS shall be A. Summary in nature. B. Dilatory in nature. C. Exhaustive in nature. D. Lengthy in nature. Answer A. Summary in nature. The father of organized military espionage was A. Napoleon. B. Alexander the Great. C. Genghis Khan. D. Frederick the Great. Answer D. Frederick the Great. A PNP member or officer may be summarily dismissed from the service when absent without official leave for a continuous period of how many calendar days? A. 15 days. B. 30 days. C. 60 days. D. 180 days. Answer B. 30 days. The National Appellate Board shall be composed of how many regular commissioners? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. Answer C. 4. Decisions of the National Appellate Board and the Regional Appellate Board may be appealed to the A. Napolcom and Bank. B. Secretary of the ILG. C. Chief PNP. D. Executive Secretary. Answer B. Secretary of the ILG.